Welcome back to Quick Hopper. In this video, let me show you how to fix an issue where you may have hit a hotkey or a button on your keyboard that enabled UI navigation. When this happens, you'll no longer be able to move in Roblox using the keys on your keyboard. So let's get started. First, open a game in Roblox, then go to the top left and select the Roblox icon to open the menu. Once in the menu, go to Help. Under Miscellaneous, find UI Selection toggle. This shows the hotkey that you need to hit to disable the UI navigation. Once you know the UI selection tool, select the X in the top left to close the menu. Then simply hit the UI navigation toggle key to disable UI navigation. There, you should now be able to move again and Roblox. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.